When at my doctor's for a visit, we started talking about the business side of medicine. As the discussion moved along, I became aware that everywhere something is sold has the same business needs as retail. What's different about each is the information about the item or service being sold. In food service, we must track the components of making a hamburger, the lettuce, the meat, the buns, that go into creating that hamburger. From an information perspective, this is fully equivalent to tracking the components of a patio set, the chair, the table, and the umbrella. The end result of my discovery was the recognition that all of this work in these standards you're about to see apply to every business, not just to retailers. Let's take a look at a sample on what it takes just to sell a single hamburger and french fries. The customer drives up to the order confirmation board or uses Echo to record their order. The order gets sent using POS log to the point of sale. The operational data model records the POS log message from the customer's order. The order gets sent using the unified POS standard to the remote order display. The recipe for the items in the remote order display get broken down into their ingredients and instructions. The individual items in the recipe get broken down into the various ingredients used to comprise them, and the inventory is validated to make sure they're there and recorded that they are selling them. The instructions part of the recipe tells the system how to activate the fryers, grills, or other devices needed to complete the order. Some devices use a remote equipment monitoring standard like the NAFM data protocol to manage these devices. And in today's world, robotics are used all over the store, and in this case, they're used in the kitchen system to help manage the cooking of the items. At this point, the unified POS device, the bump bar, is used to signal that the order is complete and remove it from the remote order display and to let the customer know their order is ready. At this point, the unified POS printer prints a receipt and/or a digital receipt is sent directly to the customer. So as you can see, there's a very large number of interfaces just to sell a hamburger. But this is what it takes to run an enterprise. There's an enormous number of connection points and messages that have to transfer back and forth between all of the various applications. The lines on the previous slide are supported by this extensive set of connectivity standards. These standards were created by over 1,450 subject matter experts. They are now available at omg.org/retail. In addition, the NAFM data protocol standard is at nafm.org. The NAFM community has a standard called the NAFM Data Protocol, or NDP, and it was created to allow systems management software to control various devices in the food service world. They worked with the Retail Technology Group to convert that into technology standards so that they could manage the information associated with the various devices. I would like to give a special thanks to Charlie Sharada from NAFM. He helped create the conversion software that moved the systems management information into the information world. In addition, I would like to thank Andy Matisse for the incredible pictures you saw in this video. Contact me to help you with your retail connectivity strategy. I am the Wizard of POS. My name is Richard Halter. I'm president of Global Retail Technology Advisors, and my email is richard.halter@cox.net. My phone number is 405-376-1141. Thank you.